Okay guys, ever wanted a stylish way to showcase your blog posts with author avatars right on your homepage? Setting this up manually would honestly take a while. Well, this section handles it all for you. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the layout. There are 3 different options to choose from here. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, you can adjust posts per page and columns for desktop layout too. In the Author Avatar section, toggle on Show Author, and you can add a default avatar image if you want, along with adjusting the avatar color. There's also a width and spacing setting you can change, but I won't be touching that myself since the current setting already works well for my section. Now let's move on to typography. Adjust these settings based on your own preference. Then in colors, you can update every single color to match your store. There's genuinely a lot you can customize here. Now let's move to the blog post itself. Add a title, author, and date. Right after that, add a featured image. I'm adding one based on my own store here. And finally, add the post link. Once you've customized everything the way you like, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.